I got that California.
We're almost there. What's up, YouTube? I don't know. I'm just gonna make another video. Today I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm just gonna ramble in this whole video. So yeah. So this next clip is very I don't know what I'm saying. I'm traveling. Just watch this next clip. That's so loud. This is the result of my back.
You've already get so much.
What's up, YouTube? Today's the day that we are going to I think Kailua Beach. So, oh my god, I'm like sweating right now. No, I'm not sweating. It's just the glare from the sun. So, I'm gonna get ready and let's get to the ready process. Let's get the process. No, whatever. Ah. There we go. Bad news. It's 75%. And I need to charge this thing. We're about to go. I am not gonna bring my drone because it takes too much time. Yeah. So dudes, I just got home. I didn't really bring the drone, like I said. And I didn't really vlog about anything because, you know, I just want to spend time at the beach. And yeah, I should, if this vlog is short, I can still continue it. But yeah, so let's complete this vlog. Good on, guys. So I flew my drone with, sorry for the background noises. I flew my drone with Rihanna's brother and father in high pickup winds. Like I'm serious, it's like very high. It's like drifting my drone away from my home point. So I can show you the video right now. The pictures right here. Okay, going now. So here's the drone shot. It's like 30 seconds, so 30 seconds as always. So here it is.
We gon' say like
See it, here it is. Three drones up there. We're taking over. Because right now it's really windy. Look at this. Mine's was guys, remember my old phone? Yeah, here it is. Put it on my case thing, the Touch 21 case. Let's see, here it is. Wow. This is my old iPhone 6s. It's badly damaged. If you didn't see the video, I'll leave it in the description down below. So check it out. So what's up, guys? That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been 2 weeks since I never posted because I'm looking at it right now. It's blurry. I didn't know that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll continue it. I'll continue the video. I'll continue whatever I'm saying. I'm just rambling again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay for more reason, please do bye. If you can't hear me, you understand. Alright, please do bye.
We won't